Hello everyone. Today I got the chance in the park to take some the video and the pictures. I'd like to show you because this is this this is the daytime shooting actually. Yeah, I tried it. How is nice? How much is nice? And let's see. Yeah, this is as you know the before. I took this video in the park. It's a beautiful park. Yeah, sorry, I didn't bring my gimbal when I go to park. Yeah, but still impressive. You can change. You can adjust the picture according to the light, and I tried to do it. If you want, you can choose the natural color or a little bit vivid. Yeah. Sorry about that, it's a little bit shaky.
Yes.
This is the actual color. It's a little bit windy. Yeah, this picture is taken by 108 megapixel the mode. Actually, I'm gonna give you some information later on. You have to choose on the settings, camera settings, this mode, because not all the time the camera or the taking the pictures is a full amount of the pixel. So every picture is different. Actually, yeah. When you use the auto mode, is changing every mode. Yeah, this is quite nice. Yeah. Yes, I'd like to show you the settings now. Yeah, you can see on the settings here the 108 megapixel. Yeah, you can choose what you like. Also, there is an option, the V-lock. The V-lock is the function you can download this roughly 30 megabyte. You download it, and if you're gonna use this phone for YouTube and other stuff like Facebook, it's so useful stuff to making your vlogs. Yeah, so you can choose one of them, and then you can do the same video with the phone. I tried to show you, but I know I'm not so successful about it. Sorry about that. And this is a daytime shooting. Hopefully I will show you very soon. Yeah, this is a two camera at the same time. You can do the video recording. It's quite nice, really. I never see that in another camera, another phone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'm gonna do the night shooting. I'm gonna go for the central London, for a walk or the driving, hopefully. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.